Man by nature is social. We have to interact. Sometimes our interaction annoys our fellow men and women. Now, there are certain relationships, there are certain behavior that scare men off when it comes to ladies and they are in a relationship. I hope this morning you would be interested to understand about this behavior, which are these behavior that scare men, so that you are able to do the necessary adjustment. One of the behavior which scare men is being bossy. If a lady is being bossy, telling your man what to do, it just annoys them. They don't want to be controlled. They don't want to be told what they want, what they have to do. But then, what is in a relationship? Relationship require compromise where you discuss and then you agree as equal partners, but not when a lady come and bossy, then become a boss to the man, and this is a relation, this is a behavior which is going to scare men off. Another one is men don't want ladies who are going to move too fast. What do I mean by moving too fast? These are people, these are ladies who require commitment too soon. You have to date for quite some time so that you understand one another. But you don't have the first date, the second date, the lady is asking you if you have to come, you get into a commitment so that you get into marriage, and then you go to see the parents. The men get scared of such a lady. And then another point is a lady who is being too available. What do I mean by being too available? You find that these are ladies who don't have their own life. They don't have time to spend apart. They have to do other things. So you cannot always be on a relationship as if you don't have other things to do. Men get scared. This behavior, it scares them off and they will just leave you. And then another point is men don't want ladies who are being too clingy and possessive. You have to give men space to clear his mind. Men want also to have time with themselves. They want to have their own time. They want actually to have silent moment. They want time to reflect on themselves. So please realize that men don't like ladies who are too possessive, too clingy, always following them, they want to know where they are, they want to know whom they are with, they want to know how he is spending time. Men don't want such a lady. And finally, men don't like ladies who text too much. Texting too much, it is very annoying. He also wonders if you don't have anything else to do, that you are texting every time. I hope you have understood behaviors that scare men off. And I hope, ladies, this is going to help you, especially if you are in a relationship. This is Mutea Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach, and from the channel A Moment with Rukwaru. Have a great day. Thank you. I value you.